There are only two possibilities while you're watching this video. Number one, you don't know what a left-handed drill bit is and you're like, what the heck's a left-handed drill bit? And let me tell you, it is magical. The other possible option while you're watching is you want to know if these things are pieces of crap or if they're decent pieces. And I can only half answer that for you. Let's start with the first one. If you don't know what a left-handed drill bit is, it is a drill bit which works in the opposite direction, which seems like, why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do that? But here's why. Anytime you have a stripped screw that you want to back it out or get it out, even if you want to use a tool to get it out, you need to drill a hole into it or drill into it to get that tool to work. Well, if you use the left-handed drill bit while it's drilling down in there, so many times you'll see it'll grab that screw, and just because it's going in the right direction to unwind it, right, it'll grab the screw and pull it right out. I'm telling you, greatest thing since sliced bread. If you haven't tried that yet, you absolutely have to try that. And then the second part of the question is, how good are these? And I can't tell you in the firmest of sense, because I've only been using it to fix screws on the RC cars, which are very small screws, which is why I got the set, because look at this little bit here. It has worked perfectly on that, but I will say, in all fairness, that hardware is the cheapest, crappiest Chinese stuff in the world, so it's not like I really can tell you what it would be like if you tried to use this on some like real American aircraft grade hardware, right? Like, not sure how well it would do. My basic indication is it would be fine, but I haven't tested that myself. I could tell you on cheap Chinese stuff, it works really well. Real American hardened stuff, I'm not sure about that yet. You should definitely get these for yourself if you're the person that I just taught about backing out strip screws, or if you're on the fence at all, they're definitely worth getting. Yeah, these things are an absolute winner that way. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, neither won't cost you any extra money. Speaking of this, if I've added some value, please like the video, follow the channel, hit the hype feature if we're here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or thought about it, other good tips for backing out strip screws, put them in the comments. Tell everybody what you know, and let's all share that knowledge. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.